Hi friends, I am Sajatani. Welcome to SciTech. In this video, I'm going to unbox the Huawei Y9 Prime. So recently it has been launched in the Amazon Prime. So now let me unbox, guys. So I got these phones. In the future, I'll be doing a lot of comparison tests between the Y9 and the Honor 9X as well. So stay tuned for that. So if you have any queries regarding all the devices, you can comment below. I'll be replying to you. So now let me try to unbox, guys. So in the description there is also a link to my Telegram group, so where you can click the link and you can join in the Telegram group. So the reason I am choosing the Telegram group because Telegram has large number of capacity when compared with the WhatsApp. So try to join in my Telegram group to stay up to date information about all these devices. So where I'll be posting camera samples as well. So as you can see, guys, this is a Huawei Y9. This is a green model which I ordered. So in the box you get the phone and SIM card pin, and there is also a case within the box. That's a good thing. So clear transparent case. You get the charger, cable, and you also get the earphones as well, so which are not in ear, and this is the charger. So now let me show you what adapter it is. So 5 volts 2 amperes. So let me try to focus here. As you can see here, 5 volts 2 amperes. So in the future I'll be doing charging tests as well, the time taken to charge the Huawei Y9 as well. So overall this is a variant which I ordered, 4GB and 128GB model. The green color looks pretty good because the Redmi K20 Pro has a red color, so which right now I'm recording using the Redmi K20 Pro, and the Realme X has a blue color and this is a green color. So now let me compare with the side to side with the Realme X. As you can see, this is a Realme X. So in the future I'll be doing a lot of comparison videos between all the 4 devices, Realme X, even the Honor 9X as well. So stay tuned, guys, for that. So for more videos, subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye.